Honor Magic 8 Pro Air was launched in China. It looks like a mix between the iPhone Air and the Pixel 7 Pro. Magic 8 Pro Air available in black, white, purple and orange. Honor Magic 8 Pro Air weighs only 155 grams, as thin as 6.1 millimeters. It is equipped with a 6.31-inch OLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, 460 ppi pixel density, 1.07 billion colors, up to 6,000 nits of peak brightness, and support for HDR content. The phone is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, delivering a peak clock speed of 4.21 GHz. It features a Mali G1 Ultra MC12 GPU, up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of onboard storage. The Magic 8 Pro Air has a 50MP main camera using a 1/1.3 type sensor, a 64MP periscope telephoto camera, a 50MP ultrawide. The device will feature a 5,500 mAh battery with silicon carbon anode tech and 80W charging. Pricing for the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air starts at 4,999 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.